Hey there, I'm Julian, and in this video we will compare Lovable with Replit, and we are going to do this side by side. So I will give the same prompt to each no-code app builder, and at the end we will see which app looks better, which app works better, and we will check pricing, so which environment is cheaper to build apps with. But before we start, really important, you will find my partner link to both in the video description, and it will allow you to sign up for free and test it out at the same time, and you helping me and my channel, so thank you a lot if you're using my link. But now let's start. Just click on the link and we need to sign up first, and then we can enter our prompt. I will do this and I see you there. So now I have just signed up for both, and disclaimer, I bought the pro version of both because when I tested it out with Replit, I already ran into a paywall with the first prompt. So I gave it a prompt and it started building the app, but then I directly needed to upgrade. So this was the first downside with Replit. With Lovable, you have a little bit more free credits on the free plan. But now I have upgraded for you, so let's try it out. I want to build a calorie tracker like MyFitnessPal because I think most of you maybe know the app and it's very straightforward. You can take a picture of your food and it's analyzing the calories and then it puts it into your diary. And I prepared a prompt for this. I will copy this into Lovable, build me a modern calorie tracker app similar to MyFitnessPal's, and I will do the same here in Replit. And now let's start building. 1, 2. And let's see how long they take for this and if the app is working with the first prompt. And we also want to see how much credits it cost. So now both apps are starting to think. They usually plan out what they want to build, then they start building the code, and sometimes they are asking you questions at the beginning to better define your app. So for example, no, it's just a demo. People shouldn't be able to log in. What should be the colors? So I like this colors and I can just submit this. And yeah, this highly depends on your app. Sometimes you get asked a couple of questions. Here also multiple accounts, no single accounts for my personal use. And now it's starting working again. And let's wait until the app is done. So now Lovable is done. As you can see, the app is built and it took 4 minutes and 49 seconds, and Replit is building. So let's wait a little longer until Replit is done. It's still thinking. We can already see the app here, but it's still working and testing the app. And with Lovable, it cost us 4.7 credits. So that's quite nice because we would have been able to build this app on the free plan. Here on the Lovable pricing, you can see that you get 5 credits a day and 30 credits per month in total on the free plan. And as said, it cost us 4.7 credits. So the initial build would be able on the free plan. As said, here on the Replit side, I already ran into the paywall because here on the free plan, you get a couple of credits, but not as much as needed for this app, at least not in the first run. So this point goes to Lovable. The free plan, you are actually able to build proper apps here. And with Replit also maybe, but maybe this app was just too complicated because it had too many functionalities at once. So let's wait a little longer until it's done. So now it is finally done and it worked for 14 minutes. So compared to Lovable, Lovable made this app in almost 5 minutes and Replit took 14 minutes. Doesn't mean that Replit is worse than Lovable because maybe the app is just working better. I don't know yet. And let's check out the credits. So here on Replit, it works with dollars. They don't have this conversion to like the credit system, and the agent usage was almost $4. And here it was 4.7 credits. So let's check out with Lovable. If you pay $25, you get 100 credits. So in total, you could build 20 times this app here. If you convert this to the credit system, and on Replit, if you are on the Replit core plan, you get $20, and this means you could build like 5 of these apps. So that's already a huge difference. With Replit, you can build 5 of these apps, and with Lovable, you can build 20 of these apps. So 4 times more credits in Lovable for the same price, and Replit is more expensive because it uses more credits. But as said, maybe it's worth it because the app is working better, and this is what we compare now. So this is the app of Lovable and this is the app of Replit, and I don't know about you, but I like the design of Lovable better because it looks more modern and more minimal. Here it looks a lot colorful, and for example, you don't have the pictures of the food. And let's go on. So here you can see your progress and you can set your daily calorie intake. Here we also have like the daily insights and a goal profile, and here we can set our daily calorie goals. So this is about the same. I would say here I like this page better, but in overall I like the minimal design of Lovable better. Here it looks a little bit more colorful. Maybe that's your thing. So design wise, I think also the point goes to Lovable, but now let's check functionality. So here we can just take a photo. If you have it on your phone, you can directly access the camera and take a picture of your meal. I tried it in a different tutorial for Lovable, so it's working. And now we can choose from a library, and let's choose like a burger here. And now it's analyzing the picture, meaning it's sending the picture to a different AI like Gemini or ChatGPT, and then it will get back the calories and what are the ingredients. And now we can here either manually lock a meal or we can snap a meal, and I will take the same picture, and now it's analyzing the photo here as well. I don't like this pop-up too much. The animation here on Lovable was way nicer, so another point to Lovable. Yeah, but let's stay unbiased and see if it's now getting the right calories. So it's analyzing here on Lovable. We already uploaded the picture. It's a double cheeseburger and we have 1050 calories and 65 grams of proteins, and we can save it. And here it also worked. Now we have the picture. It's nice, and it took also 1095 calories into account, and it is working. So both apps did the job. So both apps work. Now it's up to you which looks nicer. I think Lovable looks nicer for me. The picture here is well cut out, and here it's a little bit thin, but the calories intake is the same. Let's check out the details here. So here we have protein, carbs, and fat, and here we also have protein, carbs, and fat, but for example, we can't click on it, so we can only delete it, but we can't change the details here anymore. So also a plus to Lovable in terms of functionality. So that's kind of sad because Replit took longer to build the app and also cost more. But for example, this functionality, just clicking on the app and making changes to it, it's not possible here. So that's kind of a bummer with Replit. But yeah, this was just one app build. In general, I made a quick comparison for you. So Lovable is more if you care about a polished UI. So if you're a non-technical founder and you're very design focused and you just want a working app fast, as we saw, it was how much faster? Here we took 14 minutes and this took us almost 5 minutes. So almost 3 times faster in development. And you have to think, because now you're not done. You need to build a landing page. You need to integrate Stripe in order to collect payments. And Lovable proved itself that it was 3 times quicker than Replit here. So probably the entire build just goes faster with Lovable. But then you're asking, okay, why should I take Replit? So on the Replit side of things, it started out as like a cloud-based IDE, like a development environment on the cloud for developers. So a lot of people say that with Replit, you have way more access to language flexibility. So you can choose different languages to build the app, and it's definitely more made for developers. But don't get me wrong, like with Lovable, you still can access the code and make changes to the code. But Lovable from the get-go started for non-technical founders and who wanted like a UI polished app and website and who want this fast on a very predictable pricing. And here on Replit, as you've seen, it can be quite expensive to build like an MVP product. And that's the difference. Replit is a little bit more for developers and technical people, and Lovable is a little bit more for people like me, for example, a YouTube creator who just want to build their own website and app. But overall, I have to say both apps do the same thing. The calories are about the same, and Lovable just works nicer. I mean, these small features like opening up a food and going in, no, this was more protein. This means a lot in daily usage, and here you can't do this. And it's also cheaper. So this point goes to Lovable, I have to say. If you want to try it out, as said, you will find the link down below. And yeah, I hope you like this comparison. For me, I will go with Lovable. I think it worked better. It was faster, cheaper, and it looked nicer. So yeah, I will definitely take Lovable. And if you want to now try out Lovable, as said, you will find the link down below. And here is a tutorial step by step on how to build your app or website with Lovable. See you there. Bye.